I don't care, Charlie. You want to play?
No.
Oh, okay.
Hey, let me tell you, I throw up. One of these raw peanuts.
If I see puke, if I see puke come up the throat, I'm like, oh no, Charlie does that hobo. She does that.
Well, Charlie's a little. She's one of those weird things from that TV show, and they like come out of your toilet. You come out of your toilet. Except Charlie doesn't come out of the toilet. She's what goes in the toilet.
Alright, no, stop. Never mind.
Okay, we're playing refrigerator.
She's a gremlin. That's what it is. A gremlin.
What's up, people?
She's a scorekeeper. Look, me and Jace are playing refrigerator. What is it?
Refrigerator roulette.
Refrigerator. Can't see.
Refrigerator roulette. And
Who's going first, Charlie?
Okay, you
No. Close your eyes.
Yes.
Spin her around rapidly, and then me and you are gonna keep switching back and forth. Close your eyes. I'll keep switching back and forth. Point.
Jay's going first.
Okay, so I get to let you do?
Yeah.
Why do you go ahead? Okay, let's see here. We have.
Okay, so this is.
What is
I saw
it?
this on Live and Natty, and it was funny.
Black cherry. Perfect.
Is it
No,
because
no.
it's got black in it?
No.
Racist.
Because it's disgusting.
Yeah. Let's get you a small spoon.
Yeah, that one.
Nothing that Charlie's mouth has been on.
Okay,
They've all been on Charlie's mouth.
Yeah.
Every last one of them.
Yeah.
Jay's is fine.
Beautiful.
Oh, see, I'm gonna let you touch Charlie. Just kidding. I'm gonna throw you this way, yeah.
It's all over. Well, I'm trying to open it.
Heavy, bro. Need help there?
Yeah, you open it.
Ice guys.
What are you doing with that hat?
See, these guns are made for something.
Okay, Jay.
Look at her. She slapped me. I grabbed her arm. She tried to twist down, and it just made it worse.
Jace, you made me spill.
What does it mean?
You weren't hurrying.
Okay, I got.
Now the camera's crooked, too. Oh, God.
And no spitting it out. You have to swallow it.
What does that taste like?
It's a black cherry.
It doesn't taste like a black cherry. It tastes like, here, give me that.
Juice. You spilled it. Clean that up.
Good thing Layla didn't lick it.
Oh, what does that taste
Wait,
like?
where is Layla? Layla! Okay, good. She was inside. I thought she was
Yeah,
outside.
it tastes like a black cherry.
Okay, we need to put that away now.
Well, no, you don't like it.
What's that?
The jalapeno mint.
I'm not doing that.
You have to.
How?
Or call pass.
How?
You only have one left. Charlie.
Well, then I'll lose.
She still has 0.
Okay.
1 to 0. That's a freaking check. You can't run on the back of that. What are you doing?
Charlie, that's a check. Thanks for showing out the camera, though.
Fine, I like jalapenos.
Okay. Sure you do.
Okay, I got my.
I know exactly what you don't like, and it's coming next. How big is this big?
I'm just gonna use the
No,
tissue.
bigger.
I'm just using a tissue.
Yeah, use a fork.
Fork?
Like
This
this.
stuff smells so good. Holy crap!
Yeah, like that. Good enough. Come on.
It's not that bad. It's like jelly mixed with jalapenos.
Jalapeno.
You guys follow it? You follow it?
Oh, come on.
Pass.
Yes. It's 1-1 now.
No, it's 1 to 0. You didn't do yours.
Huh? No, I mean 1-1 passes. Like we both have one pass left.
At first it tastes pretty good, and then it's like, okay. That's not gonna happen.
No.
That's the way.
Do what?
The cottage cheese.
Oh, yes. Vera probably finished it. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
I'll take it easy on you.
Dude, those are like expired. Those are like expired, yeah.
No. First one, let's see what day it is.
Well, give me another one. That one's
June 21st. It's June.
It's July.
So many pickles.
I know.
Rose's guy's favorite.
One pickle, one pickle, one pickle. One
How many?
pickle. One pickle. One pickle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I'm gonna laugh at these
6.
Why
Six
the
pickles.
heck don't
6
you
jars of pickles, not just 6 pickles.
I'll take any pickles. I love pickles.
Watch me.
Wait, I know what to for you to pick.
Ah.
Why don't I pick it? Hey, don't you say it. Okay, I want to pick
And
Jason.
after you use one pass, after you use your last pass, you're still in. You just have until you just can't say no or else you lose after your last pass.
Oh god, this thing.
Oh, bacon ranch. How do you not like that?
I don't. It's like gross. I hate ranch in general.
I like ranch on my pizza.
Ew.
You know, some boys in my class last year, put ranch
Look
on.
her up.
Oh god. Oh no. No. Don't spill. Don't spill.
Go, Sky, go.
Oh no. The camera's not.
Keep it going. I made it liquid.
It burns. It burns. It burns. It burns.
I know, that's why I don't eat ranch
How does it
anymore.
burn?
That's why I don't eat
I don't
ranch.
know.
That's why I don't eat
I'm gonna wash
ranch.
my
Did you
hands.
spit it out?
That's why I don't eat ranch anymore.
Sky won, Jake's one. Sky, go ahead. The next one will be easy for you. Just because I made that. Just because that one burns, I'll make another one for you. It's easy.
Oh god.
I want to pick Sky.
No.
I need my drink.
Oh my God, turn to pick one for me.
Coffee creamer. Hold on. I'm dipping it.
Yeah.
No, not a spoon. What? A cup.
Oh crap. This cup.
That's too tiny.
This cup.
Get a shot glass.
That's what this is.
No, it's not. That one's way too tiny. That one's
shot.
That one's professional. Okay.
I don't think there's enough in here to fill that up.
I didn't use it all.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, take a shot of that. Let's see how hyper you get in like 15 minutes.
1 second.
And look that up too.
Looking that up.
Oh, Grandma's gonna find out. I wonder what Grandma's gonna think about her coffee creamer.
She has another jug.
Holy!
You know how much coffee she drinks? Oh.
Like 9 cups.
Tastes good? Tastes good?
Very good.
Oh, good.
So you're
Hey,
gonna
watch
get
it.
hot ice.
I know, I got it. You're not supposed to use paper towels. It saves trees if you don't. Oh my god, Hallie, are you okay?
I don't like trees.
How do you breathe in? How do you breathe
I'm
in?
a robot. I don't need trees.
Yeah, you do. My voice is
I
squealing.
don't feel any metal on you.
It's underneath the skin. Okay, my turn to choose, guys.
You mean underneath the paint?
Eat slice.
A pizza?
Yep. No, not that kind.
Canadian bacon?
She likes that.
I like any pizza.
Exactly. Except earlier, I told you this one I take easy on you.
Okay.
Because I just made you eat something that burns your
Oh,
mouth.
great. No, I got it.
Okay.
Because now I have to take out my retainer. And now I have to stop it. And then, like, hold on.
I did the whole thing you meant. No, I spit it out, so it's 2-2.
Yeah. I ate the pizza.
Two.
Somewhat of it.
Okay. Choose something.
Oh, yeah, pizza.
I have a majestic fridge. Oh, no, not the fridge.
So I need going to
Are you?
What do you like? What you don't like? I don't know.
You don't know everything I like and don't like.
Here, eat an ice cube. You have to keep it in your mouth.
How many passes do I have? One left. You have one left? Pass.
No, wait. Yeah, then you lose the game.
No.
Yeah?
After your last pass, you still get to go through the game. You just can't say pass, and then you have to quit. Like you have no passes, you can still play, but you have no passes.
Well, don't. Okay, never
Like
mind.
pass that ice cube.
I was gonna say put the ice cube back in the freezer. Never mind.
What do you need toothpick for? You haven't even ate anything.
I need because I need it.
I can just stand until the car's empty.
I was gonna drink the juice. Huh? I should put my GoPro in. Some people choose to like chug the glass.
Because you didn't eat
Oh,
that because
okay.
it was expired. Here, first let's see if it's expired.
It's not expired.
You don't
I
know
was
that.
kidding.
Sure you were. You're trying to
I
kill
ate
me.
it yesterday.
Best Buy 2014.
Mm.
I'm not eating that.
I ate expired apple pie. I'll get you some of this.
What is that? Green cheese.
Wisconsin, Wisconsin.
Why are you sharing the fridge? We're gonna be right back in it.
I know.
Oh, Layla! That's a cutie.
And that's why the people put it in the thrift shop.
I just need to tighten it up.
That is not cream cheese.
Yeah.
Wisconsin. That's why.
You say Wisconsin, stupid?
No, I'm just saying that they make everything weird. This?
They're home of the cheese.
And I'm home of the Jace.
And I want to live there one day, probably.
Me too.
Yep, I'm not living with you.
That's good.
What is that?
It's cream cheese.
From Wisconsin.
But it's like a really weird type of cream cheese.
You better with like some tortilla chips.
The grab tortilla chips, you weirdo.
Oh my gosh, thank the Lord. I thought you were grabbing that peach tea for sure.
Oh, I didn't even know.
This is tea. This is tea.
All in one drink.
Okay.
That done.
Oh, alright. Oh my god.
Before it foam down.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Where'd I go?
Charlie.
Cheers.
Pass. You are out of passes. So am I.
Oh my god.
I'm
My
not
turn.
saying pass. Come on, stop.
Oh god, no.
Wait, I'm gonna play now.
You could have gave it to me.
When I'm
Too
done,
late.
When I'm done with my apple.
What happened? You still have pizza.
Yeah, I know. That hurts.
About it.
I think I'm gonna make you pass. I think I'm gonna make you lose.
An onion?
Raw onion.
You can't do that.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
Yeah.
You can't be a huge chunk though.
I know. Small.
Ooh.
One of the small ones.
You gonna make me lose now? I am losing. Not to a girl. That is not small.
Yes, it is. That's what
No,
came
it's
out.
not. Give me. It's just this back one.
No, you have to eat it all. Come on.
Right. I'm allowed to have a drink.
Okay. Get back. Is that your water? Water. Okay, you can drink that. We have to chew at least 2 times and then like swallow with water. It's fine.
I don't like onions.
Really? Because I took a bite out of an onion once and I ate it at my dad's house.
Potato flew around the room.
Come on!
I'm scared.
Let's eat the same thing.
1, 2. I want to.
Swallow it down the water. Oh. Oh. If you would puke right now, that would be a great thumbnail. Just go on. I think this might be the front of it. Oh my god. Oh, that's the sound.
What is it? Is he gonna barf?
I don't know. I hope that'll be a good thumbnail. Oh no!
Oh no. If you have to barf, go in the trash can.
Oh. Oh. Is it almost down?
I got the trash can ready.
We're good.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I heard it.
He's coming up. It's coming up.
I'm going down. I'm going down.
Oh, you're such a sport.
Be a man. You get up.
Charlie, you just ate a raw onion. What do you...
You're
Wait, we
gonna die now.
have to put these away. Are you kidding me? Not again. Okay. Well, you can. Because if you... Onions is technically peach tea to me.
No.
Well, that peach tea. I like Arizona tea.
Let's do this.
Welcome back to Refrigerator Roulette.
What's an idiot one?
You said it wrong and you gotta talk louder because my camera mic is weird.
Welcome back to Refrigerator Roulette.
Yeah, whose turn is it?
Hey.
You pick something for me.
Okay.
Lemonade.
Who won yesterday? Didn't I?
Do you like chocolate? You're gonna need chocolate.
Great.
Hold on.
No! Excuse me. Go exactly what you're doing
You
next
played
time.
this on Tuesday.
Not Tuesday. Wait, not Monday. Oh yeah, it was Tuesday. Monday was 4th of July. Yeah, 5th of July.
Oh, on camera?
Mhm.
I eat that, but Gatorade.
I'm just preparing for the worst things you can give me. 'Cause I don't like this stuff.
Chocolate?
But I love chocolate. You mix it with water?
Yeah.
You can't do that.
Why not?
Because I could die from that.
How?
I'm allergic to chocolate. I'm not kidding, I really am though.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You said you liked it before.
I don't think it does mess up my eyes.
Oh, that's fine.
It makes it look really bad.
If you want to do it.
I don't want to die.
You're not gonna freaking die, Jay.
Charlie,
Who cares?
Yeah.
Freaking annoying.
it's like chocolate milk.
Exactly.
Just kidding, it tastes horrible. It tastes like hot chocolate.
It's like whenever you run out of milk for your cereal, and then you have to resort and you try water, and it tastes terrible. I had to do that before. It tastes bad. There's a little bit of residue, but I'll take that.
Okay, Sky.
Come. This video is gonna be like 20 minutes. Come on, one of us has to lose.
I'm not losing.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Well, this already has
It's still tied, Charlie.
5 points.
Huh. Well, we need someone to win or lose in the video.
Okay.
Okay.
I quit. Psych. I'm
He
not
quit.
No, I'm not quitting.
You just said you did.
He did not.
You just said you did,
It
boy.
was a joke, girl.
God.
You be quiet, boy.
The whole thing?
The whole entire
Well, then pour it
thing.
back in the gallon. I'm just gonna chug it like that.
No. Oh well.
Hey, you want me to fill it up? You want me to fill it up with water and put it
Come on, Sally, you can quit if you want.
Put them back in. Put them back in. You want me to do that?
August 10th, 2002.
Either drink it or quit now.
It tastes like beer, I swear.
You can just quit. You like beer? What's wrong with you? Keep going.
Keep drinking it or quit now.
Thank you.
Keep
Both on?
drinking it
No,
or
it was
quit.
off there.
Keep
I'm
drinking
going,
it.
Charlie. Russian.
Quit drinking it or quit. Come on.
Just keep drinking.
You got 10 seconds to chug the rest.
1,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
3.
She loses! Yes, I'm the reigning champ.
Guy.
Okay, we're playing on after this video is over. This is like the funnest game ever.
I lost. That's in the video. Hope you enjoyed.